Hi, my name is Corey Richard Gillis, and I chose to use Ashford University as my work site since I've recently been hired there as an enrollment services advisor in the last couple of months. Ashford is dedicated to helping prospective students. The students are usually a lot older than the traditionally aged college student, and it's dedicated to helping them complete their bachelor's degree with their flexible online format that can be used while working a full job simultaneously. Ashford actually prides itself on its culture and it strives to make their employees happy. The language used in everyday language is like changing lives instead of enrolling students. This lends itself to the culture at Ashford, which for the most part fits in with the recovery model. The focus on the student, really trying to help them realize and maintain the motivation they need in order to complete their degrees and reaching their educational goals while simultaneously dealing with the stresses of everyday life. The culture also focuses on having a conversation with the students and treating them as long lost friends. The purpose of this is to help the student relax and to get them talking and really thinking about how they want their future to look and to visualize their new life with all of their success and accomplishments that they've made, starting with completing their first degree or their bachelor's degree. However, since it is an organization whose end goal is to make money, the capitalistic aspect of the school can lead to situations where the students are treated as consumers. There are instances when people are very clear about their educational goals, but if it doesn't include a program that is offered at Ashford, we are still supposed to help them find the best fit, the best program we do have at Ashford that will fit their needs. For example, we don't have an accredited nursing program, but if we are contacted by someone who wants to be a nurse, instead of directing them towards places with accredited nursing programs, we first determine whether or not one of our degree programs would be better suited for them. Now, I really do enjoy the work culture that is practiced at Ashford. The advisors actually really do care about their students, and the overall atmosphere is that of an organization that is really trying to help a population to help themselves. When reading about the recovery model, I thought about the language we use with our students at Ashford and how our aim is to help them realize how they can help themselves. This fits in with the recovery model. But because of capitalism, policies and procedures practiced by corporations are more aligned with the cookie cutter technique, in which we are to make sure that everyone has been exposed to the Ashford degree programs that will best serve their interests, whether or not, or regardless of whether we believe that or not. So if I have more power at Ashford, I would want our students to be advised in a way that will help them achieve their educational goals in a more personal way. Even and especially if it doesn't include a program at Ashford. In the long run, I think it does more harm than good to talk a person into a degree that they had never thought of before. It's kind of like tampering with their self-narrative and with their self-identity. And I think that could be potentially harmful to their self-esteem. And it also probably accounts for some of those who don't end up finishing their degrees and reaching their educational goals.